Hello everyone, we are going to look at this 29 MBS Cougar half ton. It's been a while since we've done this particular floor plan, so we're going to go ahead and show you some things on the outside first before going on the inside. So on your non-camping side, you have one slide out, well two, sorry I didn't see that one, two slide outs, but I wanted to show you this in particular. So this is where you have all of your hookups. So starting from the top is your exterior shower with hot and cold water. And then you have your water heater bypass, winterizing, a solar plug. And this is where you can turn on your winterized city water connection, tank flush, open your black and gray tank, key TV, satellite and cable hookup, battery disconnect. And then this down here is actually pretty cool. So you can unscrew it and be able to hide all of your hoses and stuff and close this big hefty door so that, you know, it looks all nice and neat. You even have your electronic leveling system, so auto levels. There's also two propanes, one on this side, one on the other, and you are even prepped for side marker cameras. The unloaded vehicle weight comes out to be 8,930 pounds. At the very front is your battery box plus some additional storage. And then coming over to our camping side, you actually have two awnings, one on the main part of your camper and one on your slide out. So you have a lot of extra shade if you need it. And then of course, this is the other side of your pass-through storage. Again, satellite and cable hookup plus an outlet. So if you wanted to set a TV out here in your pass-through storage, you could do that. Outlet as well. And then at your entrance are those solid steps, so they're very sturdy. Plus you got your big helper handle. And then all the way at the back, you do have a ladder, so it is a fully walkable roof, and you are also prepped for a rear view camera. So now let's take a look at the inside. Starting with the very front, it's your master bedroom. So you have your queen size bed with storage underneath, a couple nightstands on both sides, and there's even some storage underneath. Just up above, you actually have some closet lockers and then a couple cabinets in between. You are also prepped for a second AC here in the bedroom. And then on your non-camping side, one of your slide outs is this wardrobe, so you really have a lot of extra space for your clothes. Each door has its own drawer as well. And then across from your bed is a spot for a mounting bracket, so you can hang a TV up here and relax. Coming out here into our bathroom, you do have a sliding door, so you really can open up this hallway space here and not feel super cramped. To the left is your porcelain foot flush toilet, little towel rack, and then you actually have quite a bit of storage, and it goes back pretty far back there. And then across, you have your sit-down shower, really gorgeous, clear sliding glass doors. But sit-down showers are nice for relaxing, and that's, you know, part of the whole camping theme, just sitting down and relaxing. There's even a skylight just up above. And then, of course, you got your vent fan as well. Across from your toilet is your sink, storage all down below, really pretty white countertops, and then I love that the sink faucet is kind of at an angle. Outlet, and then your medicine cabinet. Coming out here next to your steps is your in-command system. So this is where you can access your awnings, your slide outs, turn on your interior lights, all of that stuff through this touch screen. But you can also access it through a free app, the in-command system app, and be able to do it all through your phone. So pretty cool. Across from your main entrance, you have this nice little kind of like bench area. You can put some shoes and stuff there. And then, of course, you have some hooks for keys and dog leashes, plus another cabinet storage space up there. And then in here, if you guys can see, there is a mid-bunk. So this is a great spot for kids or any extra guests. The sofa will fold out into an extra sleeping spot. And then, of course, you have this bunk up here that is rated for 300 pounds. Really cool. You can fold this up, actually. So if you want to have a nice lounging area and be able to sit on the couch, you can do that without hitting your head. And there is a lot of extra storage space in here for whoever is staying. Show you what that looks like. Additional shelf up above. And then you have your clothes rack. 3 sets of drawers down below. And then you just have this extra kind of desk type area. So if you wanted to get a table or a chair, set your computer up there, you could probably do that. Cabinet space. And then right next to that wardrobe, you actually have another spot for a TV, so you can hang that up in here if you want. Coming out into our kitchen and living room space. To my left is your theater reclining seats. Very comfortable. Not only do you have cup holders and remote control storage, but these do have heating and massage elements, plus really cool LED lights. And then right across is your entertainment center. So huge electric fireplace down below. This will heat up your camper and take the chill out of the air, or you can just turn it on, you know, just have the really pretty lights showing. Speaker system just up above, and then drawers on either side. Big swivel TV, and even more storage. Now coming into our gorgeous rear kitchen. They have those updated colors. I love the accents of the browns in the cracks of the cabinets. Gorgeous. Right next to your entertainment center, you have pantry space. Even more down below. And then next to that, you have your refrigerator. I love that it blends in with the cabinets. And then you got your 3-burner top stove with a glass range cover, oven, 3 sets of drawers right next to it, and a little bit of storage down below. And then of course you have your microwave with just below it a light and a vent fan to help get rid of the steam while you're cooking. Of course you got your cabinets everywhere, and this really gorgeous kind of backsplash wallpaper material that they have. I think it's really pretty and different. There's also outlets on either side of your sink, so if you need to plug small appliances in, coffee makers, air fryers, you can do that. Built-in spice rack, maybe put some plants there or like knickknacks that you find while you're on vacation. Kind of leave that up to you. Even more storage down below. And then you have your 50-50 split stainless steel sink with a spray nozzle. I also love that there is a huge window at the back of your camper. And there's even one right next to your stove top. So there's a lot of natural light coming in here. And then finally, you have your booth dinette that also will fold out into another sleeping spot. Windows all across this slide out as well. That is it for this Cougar, you guys. If you have questions or concerns, please let us know and we are happy to help.